Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hi, good morning. So in this video I am going to show by default when you install Microsoft Office, so it has this kind of structure like Microsoft Excel worksheet. So we want to go back to that Microsoft Excel macro enabled worksheet. So and I don't want this one because I do work most of the time in macro enabled file. So for that, what we need to do is that edit some registry. So before that, you need to go into this PC and then C and then program files, find Microsoft Office, find these roots and then go into the VFS and then Windows. So VFS and then Windows and then cell new, and now you can see I have excel12.xlsm, excel12.xlsx. By default this one is not present, so what you need to do, you need to create an Excel file in this section like this. So name it excel12 and open it and save as a macro enabled file. So anyway, so let me create a blank workbook and then save as, and let's say I want to put this in the drive, and this will be my new name. So macro enabled, and to keep this capital letter as it is the naming configuration. So I have this one, I don't need this one anymore, so I'll just copy this one to that particular cell new folder. Okay, replace this because I already have, but at the study you don't have that, so you just need to copy paste this one. So that is first step. You need to create a macro enabled file and you have to name this excel12.xlsm. okay, this is like convention, you can name it differently. Anyway, so after that we need to search for registry editor, click on that, open this registry editor, go into this computer class HQ underscore classes underscore groups. So basically that is the first one. So HQ classes and then root, find the extension XLSM. So at the down below, I guess, yeah, so XLSM, let's find that one first. And now we need to do add a new key, and that key name will be cell new. So this cell new name is important, and then I need to create a string value, and this is going to be file name, and then I need to modify this and I need to point that to that particular folder where I stored that file. So that is, oh sorry, not this one. Let's see if I already have this one. No, not this one. So I guess this folder, so this one. So I need to put that in this section, I need to put that file name. So excel12.xlsm. so that's good. And now I do have this Microsoft Excel macro enable worksheet, and I can create that like this. Okay, so this is how we add this new command, I mean new context menu actually, or whatever it is named. And now we need to remove this one. So what we need to do, we need to go to this registry editor one more time, find that HQ, also find this XLSX now instead of XLSM. You don't know where this cell new is, but actually that is in this section, this cell new. So I can just delete this one. So that's it, and I guess you can just delete this one as well, and that's it. Now I don't have that context menu any further. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.